In this video, we are going to look at how to show the profile geometry points on the alignment. So I have an alignment on this drawing. This is white line is the alignment. I have the related profile on this profile view. So this is my final profile. I am going to show the low points of this profile on the alignment. So I will include a step-by-step guide on this video on my blog. I will put the link of this guide in the description field of this video. So we will move on to see how to do this task. So to do that, I will select my alignment, then right click, go to edit alignment labels. Under the type, go to profile geometry points. Then here profile geometry point label style. I will use the standard style here, which is available in all the default Civil 3D metric styles, and should be available in Imperial styles also. So I will go to here and click on add. So it will ask to select the profile you need to use for the labels. So on my case, it should be my profile FFG profile 1 otherwise you can go from here and select the relevant profile. Then you can select what geometry points you like to show on the alignment. So in this case, I will uncheck everything. Then I will select the low point as the label I want to see on the alignment. So if you want more label types, more geometry points, you can select like high points or grade breaks or whatever. You can use them. I am only selecting the low point. So I click OK here. So it will appear here. If you want to change the things you have to show on the alignment, you can go to this geometry here and select whatever you like. And if you want to select the change the profile, you can go to here and do it from this point to change the profile that is getting the data from. Then I click OK. Once I click OK, it will show all the low points on my alignment as a label. You can customize the label if you need, but that is something different from this video. But you can see the low points are marked on the alignment. So you can see this LP is related to the low point and the station is here. Also, you feel like you can mark the elevation here as well by customizing the label. Let's see how to do that. So I'll select the label here, then go to edit label group, then go to standard, click on here, then go to edit current selection. So I'm editing the current label. So it shows here under text content, I have two options. One is the line that is connecting to the label, and the other one is the text related to the low point and the station. So I go here and click on these three buttons, and underneath I'll maximize this thing. So underneath the station, I can enter the profile elevation. You can see here profile elevation. So you can set the decimal places and click on here. So the first one shows the profile geometry point, and which is whether it is a low point or high point, grade break or whatever. It gives the profile geometry point text, and this gives the station related to that, and this gives the profile elevation related to that low point or whatever the geometry point. So I'll click OK here, OK here, OK here, and finally OK here again. You can see now we can see the low point, station, and elevation. So this is how to show the profile geometry points on the alignment.